Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. One of the common concepts that we try to implement in our life, we teach, especially at Jannah Institute, we hear it a lot from people, is have taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Be Allah conscious. Always be with Allah. What does that really mean? And how I get there? What is the process? What will I get if I do that? Is that an easy path? Is that a difficult path? Is that an impossible path? So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, by Allah's grace, and as we are trying to give more opportunities for women according to their ability and availability, we decided that every couple of months we offer courses. It's a weekend course only to cover one of the essential topics that will help me in my relationship with Allah or my relationship with the Quran. So inshallah, on the 17th and 18th of June, this coming June, we will be covering, and I, alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen, Allah blessed me with sharing with you a 6 hours course. It will be on a Saturday and a Sunday, inshallah. The details, you all can find it in the link, that I'm going to take you through the journey of what does it mean in my daily life, day in, day out, morning and evening, when I am alone, when I am with family, when I am at work, when I am outside, that I'm always with Him. What we translate into taqwa, Allah conscious. What does it mean? As we always do our courses, it's going to be an interactive course. I'll give you the material, I'll share with you the information, but a good amount of the course, we usually leave at least 1 hour of each day, is a questions and answers. Because the whole idea is not to only have information here, as I always say to myself, rather it is here, action. So inshallah, June 17 and 18, I would love to see you all. Join us. Let's learn together. What does it mean to be with Allah?